Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Threads. So when you go to your Threads app and you see that it appears white and you want to make it to be dark, you can go to your settings and then you swipe down to display and brightness. Here you just click on dark. This will change your whole phone to dark mode, and then when you get to Threads, it's dark. Also, you can add it to your control center here for you to easily switch this. How do you do that? You go to settings, then you go to control center, which is just below general, and then you look for the dark mode icon and then you attach it here. Let's say it's not here. You swipe down and then you make a plus sign and then it's back to your control center. Then you can easily switch between light and dark mode here. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.